First at 5:30 tonight, the Target 12 investigators are digging deeper after a story we broke first yesterday. A surprising find after a major fire at a building on Kinsley Avenue in Providence last week.
Now tonight, the Target 12 investigators have reaction from one of the tenants of the burned building, where investigators say they found a drug lab in the ashes. Eyewitness News reporter Walt Butane joins us live in the newsroom now with the latest.
According to investigators, that drug lab was using butane to turn marijuana into something called butane hash oil, and we're told that process can be extremely flammable. Investigators tell Target 12 the fire started in a room on one end of the brick building. And after debris was lifted away from that area, we're told pieces of a drug lab that turned marijuana into butane hash oil were found in the ashes. Among the items uncovered, butane tanks, extraction tubes with marijuana still in them, and burned marijuana on the floor of the building.
It is surprising.
Joanne Lepinen is the executive director of the Rhode Island Patient Advocacy Coalition, one of the tenants in the building. She tells us RIPAC neither grew nor stored medical marijuana in their office. And she says she has health concerns about patients who use BHO, as well as safety concerns for anyone who uses butane to turn pot into the THC concentrated oil.
Butane is so highly flammable that there have been cases out west where even static electricity will set off an explosion.
The company Groska is also a tenant in the building. According to corporate filings, Groska sells indoor plant growing equipment. The owner, Christopher White, is also named in a Secretary of State document as the contact for the Cannabis Producer Association of New England, and the address is listed as 498 Kinsley, the scene of the fire. White has not returned phone calls or emails from Target 12. We also found out there are no Department of Health medical marijuana growing licenses connected to 498 Kinsley. But as the state fire marshal put it, the lab here was a marijuana burning operation, not a marijuana growing operation. And keep in mind, this investigation is ongoing, and while the ignition source has not been pinpointed yet, investigators tell us they are confident they know where the fire started, in that area where the drug lab was discovered. In the newsroom with the Target 12 investigators, Walt Butane, Eyewitness News.